Good morning. We are from third year CSSE. We are discussing about artificial intelligence is job creator or job destroyer. In my perspective, AI is not threat for students or professionals. It is an advantage to anyone because when you adapt to the AI, your things gonna be easier. You stuck on a problem in earlier, we have to spend a lot of time on it is a project, you have to spend a lot of time on debugging and the code conceptions, or in this world you can recorrect or rectify it within seconds, even minutes. And if you adapt to the AI, you can make the projects even better. In the evolution of AI, the industry is adapting the AI rapidly, so the future professionals have to adapt to the AI and consider it as a learning partner. If you want a suggestions from, or if you want to know the topic from a people or human being, they can't be available for you anytime. But the AI like chatbots and LLMs, they are doubts at any time.
Let me let me connect with you. AI creates new jobs also like AI data engineer, scientist. It helps employees do their work better and faster.
As we all know, AI is ruling the world nowadays. So, which make AI making easy for the people to do their jobs, and even before AI, people are ready to make the resume by their own. But nowadays, so many people are making the resume by using AI, so which make easy.
I'm on it, but we don't mostly depend on AI. We have to think ourselves and we have to design our own solution, and we have to be our individual human without no AI.
That's a valid point, Ajay. But I believe the difference between AI and us is the process. So there is currently inflation in our skill. So everyone is doing only one kind of a job, and AI can do it as well. So most of the entry level jobs are decreasing, as we know.
But if you want to work with AI platform, we should be effective with the AI. If we effectively work on AI, it will make our work
Yeah, you are
easier
correct
and
on your point, but based on his opinion, there is disadvantages of using AI, and he's as he said that the many entry level jobs are decreasing, even they are gone. And when you keep in student aspect also, when you are when you're solving problems, and the students using AI misleadingly means they are directly searching for the problem without solving.
yeah,
They don't even thinking about.
they are not using their brains. They are not thinking. Just directly they are using the AI platform for their for searching answers.
Mostly it destroying the jobs like data entries and minimum support customer care system.
As per resource management. Yes.
Like Swarup sir said, when we passed away at 28 POs, and AI will runs whole the globe. So we have to connect the AI and we have to build ourselves, and in AI we have to strong connection and update ourselves with AI.
Yes, he's right. And one big advantage of artificial intelligence is individuality. So before we needed a team or a group of people to start your idea, but now with AI, only one person can do all of it. But to do that, it raises many problems like scalability, process issues, over engineering by the AI. So these things can be handled if you only know the process.
Yeah,
That's why
absolutely true, Karthik. What you said is absolutely true. Yeah, AI is building applications and web applications even, but they are not secure and scalable. If they interact with, if the 100 users at a time, if it interacts, it gonna crash.
let me tell you a case.
Yeah, now we have experienced that.
Yes,
The
and there's
LLM
also a case study.
Either we have AI with us, we have to include our skills to build our technical skills or whatever it may be. We should not be depend
And
on
not AI.
AI. We have to improve our skills. We have to include it.
And we develop an AI or a model for our any kind of a project like a chatbot. For example, there's a case study for McDonald's. So McDonald's had a chatbot to make their orders, but they couldn't bring a firewall to the AI model. So what others did is they asked Python code or Java code
Yeah.
to solve it, and it used to do it. Due to this, a lot of credits and money has been made for which model they didn't develop for.
AI can use so many solvers in the information. You can use the AI to generate the so many projects and skills to develop the suggestions. So that use the AI.
So I would like to conclude that AI is not a job destroyer or a job creator.
It is
It
all up to us.
Yes, an understanding of artificial intelligence is beyond our scale because it is changing rapidly. So we need to adapt to that.
So what Karthik said is absolutely correct. And in our olden days, our grandfathers era, and there is no AI, but they were succeed. So we have to learn ourselves, and we don't depend on AI like anything. So we have to learn ourselves and our own
Sajay,
problems and
you
our
may be
solutions.
correct at your perception, but if there is a chance to reduce our work, why should you go for a previous ones? The technology is growing to overcome the problems.
Not for
Even
all works we should use AI. For some we should depend totally on AI.
I'm not saying that about we can't use AI for everything. As he said that in earlier they're gonna build the websites and applications without using AI. They are writing from the scratch. Okay, if we have a possibility to enhance that, as we overcome AI can overcoming the problems what they previously done. As we overcome that, we have enhanced that. Why should we go for the previous methods? We can take the help of AI and we can enhance our work now. It will gives us a time.
That's a valid point, Bharat. But I would like to show my perception.
Okay.
So in usual cases, if like Ajay said, if we develop something from scratch, we could understand any kind of issues, we could scale it, we could improve.
Yeah.
But when it comes to AI, even if it over engineers it or it is lacking any kind of scalability, we can't understand. The major problem here is the process. So like Ajay said, the previous generation in retrospect they knew the process, but for AI they are neglecting the process. So if we don't neglect the process and do with the AI, it would be a great change.
Yeah, I do saying that if you know the development, if you can take the help of AI for some problems.
Yes.
I'm not conveying that you can build the entire application with AI. You have to adapt that.
Yes.
Okay, you can take the required code or connect with the APIs or whatever the code is very difficult to write from the scratch. You can build that.
It is good, but when we are interacting with AI, it will give that answer, and the answer will paste it anyway, and then it will got error, but we have to think ourselves, not paste the error into the same
Same system. Yes.
So we have to think ourselves. In our olden days, we have to think own ourselves, but we are pasting the same error into the same system, and what the ChatGPT or what the Perplexity gives the answer, we have to same paste only. We
Actually,
don't.
people are not thinking about
Yes.
what's the error is.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can use AI, but it is in our hands. Like so many people are misusing AI nowadays. So it became problem for so many people.
They have both advantages and disadvantages, but it depends upon up to us.
So I can conclude that treat AI as a learning partner and don't treat it as a answer generator. Thank you.
Thank you.